Now we are going to introduce about the second function in the machine software. This is the last time we saw you. This is for cutting spears. This is the mostly used function. No matter what kind of design you want to make, you can choose this one to make it. Before we introduce it, we firstly open the software. This software to draw a picture. You draw a design. You can draw a circle any size you like and save it. Save it on your PC. You can choose the DWG form. Also, you can choose the DXF form. Save it. Then we open this one. Open the design file we made. This one is means the heating wire seams gap. And XY offset is mean the circle, design circle, this edge between this one, its distance, the offset. And the cutting forward is here to side. This one I can ignore. And this is cutting forward. It's clockwise forward. If you choose this one, it will cutting this forward, clockwise. Usually it is cutting by clockwise. And this is for review of the design file. If you input value 1, it is the same as the design file. One by one, it is the radio times. And this is the editor model. You can choose the preview. The gray, those two gray bold is for the range of movement of the gloom which you want to cut. This is just for preview. Here can select speed, and the green one is for start. Here is select speed. Here, this one is for stop. After you finished this is a 3D preview. We just see it. After you see the preview, you think, okay, you can choose this one to save the design file. It's save in G-code design file. If you find not satisfied of the design file, you can click this one to change the design file. You can change any place for the knife start. After you change, you can cancel this editor. Then we choose this one to save it. Please do not choose this one when you edit the design file. Only save is okay. Save it in 4 axes. because machine is the support for exercises. Thank you. That's